We'll guide you through how to fix the Mail app not loading emails on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be super frustrating when this happens, as you can end up on missing super important emails. So let's get started in fixing it. Just come out of the Mail app. Test the internet just to make sure it's working. It probably is, but do just double check. And also, if you're currently using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa. If you find on mobile data you're not receiving emails, then go and open up the Settings app, scroll down and click on Mobile Service or Cellular, and then you need to locate the Mail app. You may need to click on Show All and make sure that it's switched on, otherwise it'll be blocked. Go and see if that solves a problem. If it doesn't, then what you need to do is go and scroll down and find Apps, then scroll down and find Mail. As you can see, here it is. Go and click on it. Go and click on Mail Accounts. And what we're going to do is go and remove the account and re-add it. That can sometimes go and resolve the problem, just refreshing it. So go and click on it. Click on Delete Account. You aren't fully deleting it. You're just deleting it from your iPhone. And after you've done that, click on Add Account and re-add it. After you've added it again, return to the Mail app and go and see if it's now working. It will have to go and download all the emails again, but hopefully that will solve it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.